Pakistan-Turkey Defense Collaboration, TF-X KAAN Joint Production Agreement. Yesterday, during Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan's visit to Pakistan, both nations signed approximately 24 agreements covering various sectors, including defense. One of the most significant agreements was related to electronic warfare aircraft. This was confirmed by credible sources from the Pakistan Prime Minister's office. Today, Samaa TV, a well-reputed Pakistani media outlet, has reported another major defense agreement. According to their sources, Turkey and Pakistan have signed an agreement for the joint production of the TF-X KAAN stealth fighter in Pakistan. This is a groundbreaking development, as local production of KAAN will enable Pakistan to meet the specific requirements of the Pakistan Air Force, MPAF. Reports suggest that the Pakistani-manufactured variant of KAAN may incorporate the Chinese WS-10 engine. For the past several weeks, we have been discussing the possibility of such an agreement. Now, with confirmation from a trusted media outlet, it is evident that Pakistan and Turkey have formalized their collaboration. Pakistan has actively contributed to this project. Over the past 15 to 20 years, Pakistan has developed significant expertise in aircraft manufacturing, and its engineers and technicians have been working closely with their Turkish counterparts. This collaboration is expected to enhance the technological capabilities of both nations. The key question now is, how will KAAN fit into the Pakistan Air Force's future plans? Currently, Pakistan is pursuing its own 4th.5 and 5th generation fighter program known as PAF-X. This project, under the supervision of the Pakistan Air Force and NESCOM, focuses on developing indigenous technologies such as passive sensors, AESA radar, infrared search, and track systems. All these subsystems are being designed and developed within Pakistan for the PAF-X program. Rather than speculating, let's consider a logical approach for the Pakistan Air Force. For a 4.5 generation fighter, Pakistan may focus on upgrading the JF-17 to Block 4, integrating missing technologies from Block 3, such as IRST sensors. For a 5th generation fighter, PAF could induct a customized variant of KAAN under the PAF-X designation. This would ensure that all critical subsystems, airframe components, and technologies are manufactured locally in Pakistan. This approach aligns with Pakistan's long-term defense strategy,